Hello, and welcome to the MSPM0 Peripheral Training Series video on the Math Accelerator module. In this video, I will introduce you to the features of the Math ACL integrated into MSPM0, as well as the training materials and examples included in the MSPM0 SDK. The Math ACL module is included in the MSPM0G family of devices. The MSPM0G supports up to 80 MHz clock speed, has up to 128 KB of flash, 32 KB of SRAM, and a wide range of additional digital and analog peripherals. Like most M0 Plus devices, the MSPM0G family does not have an integrated floating point unit and performs best when fixed point values are used in computation. In order to further enhance the computational power of the MSPM0, the Math Accelerator can be used for a mixture of simple trigonometric or mathematic operations without loading the CPU. So what is the Math Accelerator, and how do we use it? A block diagram showing the structure of the Math Accelerator, which resembles a coprocessor, is shown here. We can see here that there are multiple different operation types available: 32-bit division, square root, trigonometric functions, 32 and 64-bit multiplication, and multiply or square accumulation. Using the Math ACL rather than the CPU for these calculations is substantially faster, taking only 8 clock cycles for a 32-bit division. For multiply and accumulate, the results are given in just 2 cycles. For square root, only 21 cycles are required. Available trigonometric functions are sine, cosine, and arctangent. In 24-bit precision mode, 29 cycles are required for an operation to complete. If that level of precision is not needed, the number of bits can also be reduced to reduce computation time. The Math Accelerator interfaces to the peripheral bus of the MSPM0, allowing for the CPU to grab computation results directly from the Math ACL registers. By using the Math ACL in parallel with the CPU, the MSPM0 can outperform other MCUs with comparable features and operating frequency, making it a better fit for applications in motor driving, power electronics, or audio processing, which may require these kind of calculations. If you are interested in evaluating or using the Math ACL module within the MSPM0, there are quite a few resources to get you started. First, we recommend purchasing the MSPM0 Launchpad to use as your initial development hardware. With the Launchpad, you can work through our MSPM0 Academy for the Math ACL module. This online tutorial will help you understand the configuration and usage details of the Math ACL module through successive tasks, questions, and instructions. You can also refer directly to the driver-lib examples in the SDK to see how to write software that uses the Math ACL in a number of configurations. If you want to learn more, you can access any of the documentation shown here. Accessing Resource Explorer will allow you to see all examples and documentation for MSPM0 in your browser without any downloading required. There is also a handy Quick Start document, which provides more detailed instructions for beginners to set up their development environment. For more detailed information on the MSPM0 family, look at the datasheet or technical reference manual for your part. This concludes our introduction to the Math ACL module within the MSPM0 family. Thank you for watching. The presentation files for this video are included in the video description, so you can access the provided links to training and resources.